everyone, I'm Naima Ford Goldson, owner of Restore Order Professional Organizing, and we are standing in my kids' closet. I have two boys. Ethan is 8 years old, he's going to 3rd grade, and Gavin just turned 6 and he's going to 1st grade. This is a closet that I have designed for them myself because in addition to being a certified professional organizer, I am also a custom closets designer. So I wanted to show you exactly what I did to organize their space. So coming into the closet, I have 4 drawers. These drawers are 30 inches in width. They are 14 inches depth. Gonna pull it out. You see they are full extension. I don't fold my shirts the Marie Kondo way, but I do stack things in drawers just to maximize the space. And I fold them in a way that you can see what shirt it is, which I find that is helpful when little kids are looking in drawers trying to find clothes and they're not rummaging through everything to get the shirt that they want. So in those drawers, I store my kids' undergarments and their t-shirts. The section in the front here has their outerwear. So these are things like hoodies, vests, coats. And then I also have sports jerseys stored here as well. And I have hangers that are not in use at the moment. So you see I have a ton of space under here. So this is where I store their swim items. I put them in bins and I have a bin clip on them. So everything is labeled so we know whose is who. You'll also notice that I have 2 different tones going on in this closet. So I have a matte navy drawer front there, and I put the blue bins there just because they complement it. And then above here, I have shoes that my son Ethan can't fit yet. We store shoes in a closet downstairs. So when my kids come home, they take off their shoes immediately. And so those are just new shoes that he can't fit yet. So that is where they are housed. Now you can see that we have different angles in here. So I designed for that. And this top space can actually be used to store items, but I just don't have anything there right now. I just find that it looks a little cleaner, but if you did need the space, then putting a bin up there and storing items would be perfect. This is a belt rack, so it pulls out, and I really love it because it just tucks away in there, and it's just out of the way. My boys have their own section, so this section is Gavin's. So we have his sweats and his shorts there. Those shorts would be shorts that he can play outside in or go on a play date, what have you. These are his pants. And then I typically store their long sleeve shirts, collared shirts, sweaters on the hangers. And then he has his valet rod right there. And with the valet rod, you can lay out clothes. This middle section is shared, so the top belongs to Ethan. We have his slacks and his shorts that are nicer. And then for Gavin, these are his nicer shorts. Right here, I have a basket. This is for clothes that no longer fit them. So anything that needs to be donated or that needs to be stored away for Gavin to wear next. So I have my hamper. There's no mistaking where the dirty clothes should go. And this is perfect for my boys. And then this section is Ethan's. So just like on Gavin's section, we have Ethan's shorts, Ethan's sweats, Ethan's pants, his jeans, and then Ethan's hanging shirts, which are collared shirts, sweaters, long sleeve shirts, anything that's nicer. And then of course Ethan has his valet pin also. So this is my kids' closet. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this video has been helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.